This laptop just made someone $10,000 last month. No office, no employees, just this. 6 businesses. 0 physical inventory. Let's break them down fast. Number 1. Freelance web design. Small businesses desperately need websites, and beginners charge $500 to $2,000 per site. One website a month at $1,000 average is already a solid side income. $500 per website per Muftis is 7. Number 2. Virtual assistant work. Entrepreneurs pay for help managing emails, scheduling, and admin tasks remotely. Rates typically start at $15 to $25 an hour, with no experience required to begin. Number 3. Online bookkeeping. Small businesses need someone to track expenses and income. It's tedious for them, profitable for you. A basic certification course costs under $100, and clients pay $300 to $800 a month per business. Number 4. Online tutoring. If you know a subject well, students worldwide will pay for one-on-one lessons over video call. Tutors typically charge $25 to $60 an hour, depending on the subject and student level. Number 5. Print-on-demand stores. Design products, and a third-party company handles printing, shipping, and inventory entirely. Number 5. Print-on-demand stores. Design products, and a third-party company handles printing, shipping, and inventory entirely. You earn a profit margin from per sale, with 0 upfront inventory cost or storage required. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products through a blog or content and earn a commission on every sale you generate. Commissions typically range from 5 to 10%, but scale massively once your content starts ranking or gaining traffic. Notice something? Every single one of these scales with your skill, not your location or your startup budget. Most of these can start part-time, around a full-time job, using just evenings and weekends. The mistake most people make? Trying all 6 at once. Pick one, master it, then expand. Your first client often comes from people you already know. Friends, family, or local business owners. Give any of these 90 days of consistent effort before judging whether it's working. Six businesses, 1 laptop, endless possibilities. Which one matches your skills?